can't send or receive emails anymore? Or suddenly your Google services stop working for no reason? Yep, your Google storage might be full. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to clear Google storage directly from your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. After that, scroll down and find the Google menu, then open it. Now tap your profile picture at the top corner. Next, choose Manage your Google account. After that, scroll all the way down until you find the Google Storage option, then tap it. Here, you'll see how much storage space you still have left. To start cleaning it up, tap Clean Up Space. Now you can delete files based on categories or based on Google services like Drive, Gmail, or Photos. For example, here I'm going to delete files from the Large Drive Files category. Just select all the files you want to remove, then tap the Delete button at the top. After that, confirm it by checking the agreement box and tap Permanently Delete. Now wait for the deleting process to finish. And that's it! Your Google storage should now be cleaner, and you can continue deleting other unnecessary files to free up even more space. Full Google storage can secretly cause a lot of annoying problems, so make sure you clean it regularly before your account starts acting weird. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.